Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can curve tags in Canva opposite way or both way. Okay, so I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on the Canva. So let me take one canvas here. So I just take this one. Let me delete these elements. Okay, so just put your text like this. Okay, now you can select the text and just you can increase the size like this. Okay, here you can also change that font if you want. Okay, now keep the middle on canvas, go to the effects, and here you can see the option called curve. Okay, just scroll down and here we have this curve options. We can curve at the one side, or you can also curve opposite side like this. Okay, so you can curve this on both side, up and down like this. You need to play with this scrolling left to right. Okay, once you're done, now if you want this same text with opposite side, just select that text, copy it, and here go to the effect again, go to the curve and make it opposite like this. So you can see the text has been curved in both way. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.